This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section How Your Conditions Affect You. Part 1, Physical Functions. Questions 4 and 5 only. Only answer yes to the following questions if you can do the activity safely, to an acceptable standard, as often as you need to, and in a reasonable length of time. Question 4, about picking up and moving things using your upper body and either arm. If you can pick things up and move them without difficulty, please tick this box and forward the video to question 5. Otherwise, please tell us if you can pick up and move a half-liter or 1-pint carton full of liquid using your upper body and either arm. Please choose from no, yes, or it varies. Next, can you pick up and move a 1-liter or 2-pint carton full of liquid using your upper body and either arm? Please choose from no, yes, or it varies. Next, can you pick up and move a large, light object, like an empty cardboard box, for example, from one surface to another at waist height? Please answer no, yes, or it varies. If you have answered no or it varies, use the next space to tell us more about picking things up and moving them, and why it might be difficult for you. Next, question 5, about manual dexterity and using your hands. If you can use your hands without any difficulty, please tick this box and go to question 6. You do not need to continue this video. Otherwise, can you use either hand to perform any of the following things? Pressing a button, such as on a telephone keypad, turning the pages of a book, picking up a 1-pound coin, using a pen or pencil, or using a suitable computer keyboard or mouse. Please answer no, yes, or it varies. Then use the next space to tell us which of these things you have problems with and why. And if it varies, please tell us how. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.